Hello students, 12th Accountancy, Unit 5, Admission of Partner. Illustration number 26. Amir and Raja are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. So the old profit of Amir and Raja is given here. Amir 3/5, Raja 2/5. So the profit sharing ratio is given here. Their balance sheet is shown as under on 31st December 2018. So academic year end balance sheet is given here. Then Rohit is admitted as a new partner. So now it's admission of partner. A new partner is admitted Rohit. So three partners are there who introduced a capital of rupees 30,000. Here who refers Rohit. So Rohit introduced a capital of rupees 30,000. He brings rupees 30,000 for his share, for his 1/5 share in future profits. So in future profit, Rohit's share is 1/5 and he brings rupees 10,000 for his share of goodwill. His share of goodwill for Rohit's share of goodwill is rupees 10,000. So he brought rupees 10,000 and 30,000, totally 40,000. He brought into the partnership form, rupees 30,000 for capital and 10,000 for goodwill. Now the following revaluations are made. So three transactions are given. Now they ask us to prepare necessary ledger account and balance sheet. So necessary ledger account means we have to prepare revaluation account and capital account. Balance sheet is a statement. So three things you have to prepare. One is revaluation account, another one is revaluation account, another one is partner's capital account after admitting a new partner. So Amir, Raja is the old partner, Rohit is a new partner, debit, credit. Column is drawn, then balance sheet they ask us to prepare. So balance sheet also drawn in front of you. So now you see here. First, they can distribute the reserve fund, profit and loss, and workman compensation fund from the balance sheet. So now you see here. Here reserve fund is given. Reserve fund already you know that it's a yearly profits of the old partners which is reserved for future purpose. So the reserve fund should be distributed among the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So 15,000 is going to be distributed to the old partners. 15,000 is distributed to the old partners. Before that we can transfer the opening balance of Amir and Raja. So Amir 80,000 and Raja 70,000. Amir, date is 31st/12/2018. Either you can write 31st/12/2018 or 1/1/2019 also, no problem. So now we see here 1/1/2019 or 31st December 2018 also you can place it here. By balance B by D. What is the Amir capital amount? 80,000. And Raja 70,000. For Rohit nil because he is a new partner. Now we see here opening balance is entered. Then we are going to enter the reserve fund. The reserve fund is going to be distributed to the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So reserve fund amount is 15,000. So 15,000 into what's the proportion of old ratio? 3/5 and 2/5. So 3/5 for Raja and Amir, 2/5 for Raja. So 1/5 is 5, 3/5 is 15. 3,000 to 3, 9,000. So 9,000 for Amir and suppose here you place it 2 mean 2 into 3, 6. So 6,000 for Raja. 6,000 for Raja. So now Amir and Raja reserve fund is distributed among the partners. Now we are going to record here reserve fund by reserve fund for Amir. How much rupees? 9,000. And Raja 6,000 recorded. So reserve fund also recorded. creditors, it will be recorded in the balance sheet. Creditors rupees 35,000. It can be placed in the outer column also. So everything is recorded in the liability side. Now we can go for that additional details which is given here. Rohit admitted as a new partner who introduced capital of rupees 30,000. So Rohit is a new partner. He brings additional capital 1/1/2019 by bank. When cash comes into the partnership firm, bank account debit to Rohit capital account credit. How much amount? 30,000. So it will be recorded in the Rohit column 30,000. Now you see here the same date he brought amount rupees 10,000 for goodwill. This goodwill amount will be distributed to the sacrificing partner. The amount 10,000 will be distributed to the sacrificing partner. Here sacrificing partner about they didn't say anything else. Here revaluation detail is given here. So in that case 1/5 share is given to him. Who? Rohit. Rohit got 1/5 share from whom they didn't mention it. Along with that, here old ratio is given here, but new ratio they didn't give, as well as proportionate of sacrificing also they didn't inform to us. So old ratio is treated as a sacrificing ratio. Old ratio is treated as a sacrificing ratio. Now in this proportion, the amount 10,000 is distributed to the partners. So now you see here 10,000 into 3/5. 1/5 is 5, 2/5 is 10. So 6,000 for Amir and 4,000 for Raja. So it's a goodwill amount. It's a goodwill amount. It is brought for the existing partners who sacrifices share. For that person, the new partner is going to give. It won't be recorded in the name of goodwill. So what is the transaction for that? Bank account debit to the sacrificing partners account credit. Bank account debit to the sacrificing partners. Who are they? Amir and Raja. So the sacrificing partners capital account credit side we are going to enter by bank. He brought the new amount for goodwill by bank. The amount rupees 6,000 is entered into Amir's capital account and Raja's capital account. It won't come under the name of goodwill. It will be recorded as here by bank. It's secretly it's done. Then so that also recorded. And then what they are given? Stock is to be appreciated to 14,000. Stock value rupees actually what is the stock value? 10,000. Now it is appreciated to 14,000. In that case stock value 4,000 is increased. 4,000 is increased. So stock value 10,000 from 10,000 to